how to watch Netflix with ExpressVPN. Now this is really easy to do, so let's jump straight into the video. Now you want to open up the official website of ExpressVPN, which is simply expressvpn.com. If you cannot go ahead and find it, you can just go ahead and search it on Google. Now once inside the official website, you can just go ahead and click on the Get VPN link right here. And right after that, we then have the ability to choose our subscription. You have your 1 month, you have your 12 months, and lastly you have the 6 months. And you have to enter your email address right here. And lastly, you have to select your payment method. Now you can just go ahead and fulfill all of the necessary information right here, and you should be good to go. Now right after downloading ExpressVPN, it will then take you to this page right here, or this application, where you have to put the activation code for your purchase. Now in my case, I don't have the actual VPN subscription right here, so let's just go ahead and navigate through the official website of ExpressVPN. You will then be taken to this page right here after activating your account, where you can then go ahead and choose your location that you want to connect with. So let's just go ahead and say that you want to watch a movie and that movie is not available on your region. You can just go ahead and search up a region that movie is available in. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and enable USA right here. And right after that, you can just go ahead and refresh Netflix from your browser. Now take note that this method can also work for the Android devices and iPhone devices. You can just go ahead and download the ExpressVPN application. Now as an example, as you can go ahead and see, I have the Netflix Philippines right here, and if I want to transfer into something like Sweden or United States, I'll just go ahead and turn on the ExpressVPN and refresh Netflix, and it should go ahead and change right away. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.